Well, this was already here. When we purchased this house, the fire was here, the roof was here. We've added a little bit of lighting around the side, so it just gives us a bit of ambience at night. We've got the barbecue over in the corner, so everything works really well. And we've since purchased this little outdoor setting, and it's just nice to come out here at night. Approximately August, September, we started looking around for spas, but we needed a spa that was quite narrow. We looked at several shops and we came across Spa World, and the salesman was very persuasive, and he happened to have a spa pool that would suit us. So we decided that that was the one for us. We ordered it, and now it's sitting in place and we just love it. Come home after golf, have a spa for half an hour or so, and it's nice and private here where we are, so we're really enjoying it. We love the lighting. The lighting changes all the time. It has a lot of jets, which we find is beneficial for if you've got sore limbs. We like the fact that you can turn the bubbles really forcefully if you want them. You can also turn the little dials down so that there's very little action. So it is a good spa. We love it. To get the spa into place, we're obviously in a fairly confined area. I organised a crane to arrive at the same time as the spa, and we craned it over our fence, along the deck and around and into place. Fitted really well, so we're very happy. He had all the gear. It was very easy. He had big wheels. He put the spa, attached the spa to the wheels. He trolleyed it around, lay it down on another set of wheels, and basically just glided it into place. So it was remarkably easy. So the guy that came and installed it, he was very knowledgeable. He'd told us that he'd installed a lot of spas. He explained how the filters worked. We'd had a spa before, so we pretty well knew what we were dealing with. But he was very thorough. It was very helpful, and I've never had to ring Spa World and ask them about anything as far as how the spa works. It's pretty straightforward. If we go away for a week or more, we would shock dose it so that when it came back it was still sparkling. It's been pretty easy to operate. If you're looking for a spa, don't be held back by the amount of money you want to spend. The more you spend, the better quality spa you're going to get, without a doubt. If you buy a cheap spa, you're going to get one that's going to have very few jets. It's not going to work as well as a really good quality one. Well, this particular spa, they tell me, is going to last me for my lifetime, so that's all I need.